Now let's start drawing this, and for that first of all I'm going to draw a 3 circles, and you will see the radius of these 3 circles here. So let me start with the smaller one, and that has a radius of 58, and then 72.5. Press enter to repeat the command, then press enter again, and then this larger circle having a radius of 86. Now what you have to do is you have to draw a line at a 45-degree inclination. So let's simply draw a line from the center, press tab key, set it to 45, and then press enter. Now we have to draw a circle here, so C enter, and the radius of this circle is 6. Now we don't need this line, so you can just simply delete this line from here, and also we don't need this circle as well. Now what we have to do next is we have to draw 2 lines at 20 degree and then 70 degree. So let's draw it. Press enter to repeat the command, press tab key, and then 70, and then press enter. Now I'm going to add the construction line here, and for that I will just simply go to this drop down, click here, click on the center, and here, and then here, and then press enter. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to draw a line from this point to this point, and then this point to this point. So let's do it. Click here and then click here, press enter to repeat the command, click here and then here, and then press enter. I will repeat the same thing on this side as well. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to delete these 2 lines first. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim these lines. Now I'm going to create an offset of distance 14. So press enter, click here and then here. Now let's trim the extra part, and for that I'm going to use the trim command. So let's trim it. So carefully trim this, these 2, and these 2. Now after that you can just simply select this one and you can delete it from here. Now I'm going to add a chamfer here of length 2 unit, and which is inclined at 45-degree angle. So for that I'm going to use line command, and maybe I will zoom in this region so that you can see it properly what exactly I'm doing. And here in this direction we have to move. So first of all I'm going to set the unit to 2 and then press the tab key and set the angle at 45, and now this one is inclined at 45. So simply take your mouse cursor and then match it with this. Now after that you can just simply press enter. Now let's move to this part. So we will do the same thing here, and I'll enter, click here, and then in this direction you have to specify the angle, and you can just simply, first of all let me set the angle first. So I'll set the angle at 135, press the tab key, and now I will specify the length of that, so which is 2, press enter, and then just simply match it with this like this, and after that press enter. Now let's zoom out a little bit to see exactly what we have done. And you can see we have completed this first quadrant, and now all we need is just to simply use the array command. For that I'm going to select this, type AR, and then press enter. I will select the polar array. I will specify the center, which is this. Now all you need is just to simply set it the items to 4, and then press the tab key, and there we have our final drawing. And you need to also make sure that this associative option is not ticked. Let's simply close the array, and there we have our final drawing.